Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage online learning with Udacity, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Udacity website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Browse the catalog to find the course that interests you. Click on the course title to access the course information page. Review the course syllabus to understand the curriculum. Enroll in the course by clicking the Enroll button. Take note of the course schedule and deadlines. Familiarize yourself with the course layout. Explore the lesson materials, including videos, readings, and quizzes. Set specific goals for each week or module. Develop a study plan that fits your schedule. Allocate dedicated time for studying each day or week. Utilize the discussion forums to engage with instructors and classmates. Ask questions if you need clarification on any topic. Complete quizzes and projects on time to stay on track. Take advantage of the resources provided, such as articles and videos. Review feedback on your assignments to improve future performance. Make notes on challenging concepts for later review. Join study groups or connect with peers to enhance learning. Adjust your study techniques as needed to optimize understanding. Monitor your progress regularly to stay motivated. Celebrate small achievements along the way to keep the momentum going. Once completed, consider sharing your accomplishments on LinkedIn or with your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.